Hello, champs! Today we're going to show you how to efficiently manage your social media content using Social Champs Calendar and Shared Calendar feature. Let's dive in. When you first log in, you'll find yourself on the content dashboard. To access the calendar, navigate to the left panel and click the Calendar button. Within the calendar, you can select your connected social accounts from the top left drop-down. You'll be able to view all of your scheduled, pending, sent, or failed posts here. From the top right of the window, choose your preferred calendar view: list, monthly, weekly view of the posts. For Instagram professional account, grid view is also available. Add notes at the specific dates within the calendar. You can also filter your posts using post status, post type, and labels options for better post management. Furthermore, search for the post using the search feature. Settings option is also available to set up the time format, calendar, start day, and enabling the holiday calendar. If needed, you can delete all your future scheduled posts using the Delete All option on the top right. You can also click on a post to view its caption and media in detail. For scheduled posts, you can edit, delete, or post them immediately. Posts can also be rescheduled by simply dragging and dropping. Social Champ also offers a shared calendar feature allowing you to collaborate and share your content calendar with clients or teams. To access the shared calendar feature, find and click the shared calendar option located at the top right of the page. Begin by clicking Create New Shared Calendar. To start a new shared calendar here, you can give your shared calendar a name, select the social accounts you want to include, and then choose a date range for the post to appear in the shared calendars. Once you're done, you can share the calendar with others using a link. Ensure that link sharing is enabled by opening the shared link. You can view all the posts within a particular date range. And there you have it, champs. You've learned how to use Social Champs Calendar and Shared Calendar features. Thanks for tuning in.